Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Bands. Welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon wrapped hot dogs. And no, it's not as simple as just wrapping bacon around a hot dog. I will give you my tips and tricks on how to keep it good and so the bacon doesn't fall off. So let's get started. So for the hot dogs, we purchased, want to get a good quality hot dog, not really too thin. And you want to make sure that your bacon is really thin, because if you use thick bacon, it's going to take forever to cook in the oven, and then your hot dogs are going to be just mutilated, overcooked. And another thing that I like to do is I like to cut them like little diagonal slits, like 4 diagonal slits in the hot dog, 4 or 5, depending on how long they are. And this will just keep them from splitting open as they cook in the oven. So I'm going to cut these slits in the hot dogs on all 4 of these hot dogs. And I'm doing 4 hot dogs, but you can do as many as you want. Okay, so now we can wrap the bacon around our hot dogs. And you just want to do it diagonally. Now a tip for if you have thicker bacon, you might want to pre-cook your bacon for a few minutes just to get it going, just so it doesn't take as long to cook in the oven. And then we want to secure the ends with a toothpick. This is going to keep the bacon from unraveling. Let's do this one a little bit more, just so they keep them even. So these are even, and then the hot dog can lay flat. So I'm going to wrap these all up and put them in the oven. Okay, we've got our hot dogs all prepped for the oven. These are going to go in a 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes, but just keep an eye on them so they don't overcook. Here are our bacon wrapped hot dogs out of the oven. They look so good. This took about 20 minutes in a 425-degree oven. Of course, we're going to take out the toothpicks. Don't forget to do that. And these are good just how they are, or you could make yourself a keto bun. If you know how to do that, you could use my 90-second bread recipe and make you a bun and eat your hot dogs with some caramelized onions and peppers. Oh, that would be amazing. So let's try a bite. Those are perfect. As always, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you like this recipe. And as always, thank you so much for watching my videos. You can find all of the recipe details in the link in the description below, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for bacon wrapped hot dogs. I've got all kinds of bacon recipes on my blog because I am a bacon expert. So I will see you guys later. Bye.